I sure can. So 3 years ago, my mom, sister, and I decided we were going to jump in and we cut out all sugar except for whole fruits, all sweeteners, honey, maple syrup, stevia, all those things, xylitol. We cut out all of that and all flours. If it has the word flour in it, cut it out. Not like cauliflower, but cauliflower flour, almond flour, oat flour, all types of flours. But we kept whole grains because grains are not the enemy. Then not only did we cut out those things, but instead of counting calories, points, all those things, we weigh our meals instead, so you get the perfect portions every single time. So you might be thinking, there's nothing to eat without sugar and flour. I thought the same thing when we started too, but there are so many things. The possibilities are endless. What I eat in a day. So example, for breakfast, I had this delicious mug cake. It's a cherry overload mug cake. You can find the recipe on my website, weightlossrecipescookbook.com. Now this one I made with blueberries, but still so good. So you can have cake for breakfast. Lunch is a little bit different than breakfast, which is really fun because I like variety. So lunch, somebody made the cheesy cauliflower bread from my cookbook, and then they had a salad, and then they didn't show their fruit on the side because you get fruit for lunch also. But this is so delicious. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is not diet food. That is delish. For dinner, I made this delicious chicken noodle soup with palmini noodles. This is from my brand new cookbook, Best Cooking Made Easy. So I made this in bulk for the whole family. They loved it. And then on the side, I made some mockoritos. They're like Doritos out of cheese.